Welcome back to Sui Crypto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to natively stake Sui through the Slush Wallet. Slush is the official wallet of the Sui Network, and Mysten Labs is the team behind it. They're also the core contributing team behind the blockchain in general. I have some Sui in this wallet. We'll go ahead and stake it. You can follow along. But before we start, please note nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. I asked Grok to tell us about the benefits of native staking Sui. Number one, you're going to earn staking rewards, typically paid out at the end of each epoch, approximately every 24 hours. The APY varies based on network conditions, but provides passive income stream. Number two, network security. By staking, you contribute to the security and decentralization of the Sui network, as stake tokens help validators process transactions and maintain consensus. Governance participation. In some cases, staking may grant you influence in network governance, allowing you to participate in decisions about protocol upgrades or changes. Low entry barrier. Native staking on Sui has a relatively low minimum requirement, so you can stake just one Sui, making it accessible to a wide range of users. And then simplicity. Native staking is integrated into the Sui ecosystem, allowing users to stake directly through compatible wallets. However, keep in mind there is a 24-hour unbonding period during which stake Sui is locked and does not earn rewards. For more flexibility, you might consider liquid staking options. So we'll talk about liquid staking and native staking briefly, but I want to focus on native staking in this video. Another benefit to native staking Sui are the potential future rewards. There's been nothing confirmed in terms of any kind of airdrop, but from past experience, when airdrops do happen on newer layer 1 blockchains like Sui, those wallets that are natively staking typically qualify for some form of the reward. I experienced this with the Sei blockchain. Last year, I received one of the biggest airdrops I've ever experienced in crypto, simply because I had some Sei staked, and it wasn't a lot, but it was a qualifier, and I got a really nice airdrop. So in my opinion, especially with Mysten Labs and Slush Wallet pushing staking, it can only potentially benefit you by staking some Sui, whether that's 10 or 5,000. Just having some staked could be very beneficial. All right, so let's jump into it. I have some Sui in this wallet. I'm going to click on the piggy bank. Then I'm going to scroll down. And you can see here's liquid staking and here's native staking. We're going to do native staking in this video. Liquid staking, there's a bunch of great options on Sui to liquid stake. Let's just take a look at Volo, for example. Briefly, I'll touch on this. Did a video last week on Volo, so check that out. But you can stake Sui and in return receive vSui. So you'll get the staking rewards, and then you'll also get the liquid staking token vSui, which you can then go use on other DeFi protocols like Navi. You can lend it out, supply liquidity to earn additional yield on top of your staking reward. So liquid staking allows you to stay flexible, plus you don't have the 24-hour unbonding period we talked about with native staking. So I highly encourage you to watch the video on Volo, and I would recommend doing both native and liquid staking in the Sui ecosystem. There's a bunch of great options in addition to Volo. You can stake with Aftermath Finance, Hadal. This is Volo. Spring Sui. This is Sui Lend product. They have a bunch of different liquid staking options. And so maybe I'll do a full video on liquid staking. If that would be helpful, please let me know in the comments below. We're going to focus on native staking. So it says start native staking, lock assets on Sui while you earn. Click on this. And then there's a bunch of different validators that you could stake with. And it really doesn't matter a ton which one you choose. You can see that their APYs are very similar, but whichever validator you choose, it doesn't matter. You're still native staking. That's the main point. You can choose any one that you'd like. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and just use Mysten 2, which I believe is Mysten Labs validator. My goal here, I don't have a ton of Sui in here. I have 66. I just want to stake, let's just say 25. And my goal is, sure, I'll earn some staking rewards, right? A little bit of passive income by staking, but I mainly want to just make sure that I'm in position potentially for future rewards if native staking is a qualifier. And again, there's no confirmation, hey, stake and you're going to get future rewards. There never is. You have to just do it with anticipation there could be. Maybe you want a native stake just because you want the passive income. Maybe you have 5,000 Sui and you're going to get a nice return on that. But if you don't have a ton of Sui, it still pays to just stake some, in my opinion. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go with 25 Sui. We're staking it with Mysten 2 validator. And then if we scroll down, you'll see APY 2.32%. Here's the total amount staked with their validator. My rewards will start in 3 hours and 26 minutes. And then my rewards will be redeemable in 27 hours. Here's the estimated gas fee, extremely low on Sui. And so I'm going to go ahead and say stake. And just like that, we have natively staked 25 Sui with the Mysten 2 validator. You can view it on Explorer. That's going to open up Sui Vision, the top explorer for the Sui blockchain, where you can verify the success of your staking transaction. If we click on the piggy bank again, and then we scroll down, to native staking. You can see we now have $82 worth of Sui staked. Let's click on this. So $82.50 with Mysten 2, 25 Sui worth. It'll start earning in 3 hours, 23 minutes. We click on that. You could go ahead and unstake it whenever you want. Just note there's going to be typically about a 24-hour unbonding period. You'll have to wait, but very simple to unstake if you ever want to. Again, my goal here is to make sure I have some Sui natively staked through the Slush wallet so that I'm in position for future rewards if and when they come. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like. If you'd like me to do a video on liquid staking in the Sui ecosystem, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.